Hi, and it's a 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart build project, whatever you want to call it. So it's day 10, it's Sunday the 14th of October 2018. Here comes the dog inspecting it's all safe. And Orion, does it meet your standards? What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Right, I wanted to sand these bits yesterday and just couldn't be bothered doing it after all I'd done. Right, I'm gonna sand them, get the Dremel on the edges I think, because I ain't got much sandpaper, and I'm gonna paint under here and my back as well, because you can see the silver measurement writing on it. Let's do it. So I've sanded this. I've sanded this part that holds the steering rod up. Bit dusty at the minute. Give it a wipe off and paint them. But I've also painted this back bit, but it's got full of dust again. So I'm going to give it a second coat. And I've not done these yet. Do them in a bit. That's it painted. It's had 2 coats. Painted them back bits. So that's that painted. Steering rod holder. So it's turned out quite well, that. And as you know, it goes on there like that. Right, start putting it together. This will be the last time I have to put the seat on. That's the foam fitted. Right. Now I've got to glue the outer of the steering rod in. And then I've got to get this in place, glue it into that, and yeah, let the glue dry then. I'll show you after I've done it, I think. Didn't realise with painting I need to cut my pole first before I can fit any of this in. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and it's a Sunday. It's too late to be sawing and making a noise, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I'll find some stuff to do. If not, this is the end of the video. Been a short video. You've been watching my 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart. Okay, here's the sunset.